Why life insurance is not just for parents. Think life insurance is only for parents. Think again. Life insurance isn't just about providing for children. It's about protecting your future, paying off debts, and ensuring your loved ones aren't burdened if something unexpected happens. Stay with me, because what you don't know could cost you. Life insurance is often misunderstood. Many people assume it's only necessary once you have kids, but the truth is, it benefits nearly everyone. Whether you're single, married, planning a family, or just starting your career, life insurance is a powerful tool to protect your financial future and provide peace of mind. Here are the key reasons why life insurance isn't just for parents. 1. Covering debts and loans. If you have a mortgage, student loans, or credit cards, life insurance can prevent your family from inheriting your debt. 2. Replacing income. Life insurance ensures your loved ones can maintain their lifestyle if something happens to you, even if you don't have children. 3. Planning for the future. It can help with future expenses like a spouse's education, retirement planning, or even supporting aging parents. 4. Affordable, while you're young. Premiums are lower when you're younger and healthier. Waiting until later can cost more and may limit your options. Think about this. Life is unpredictable. Protecting yourself today means your loved ones aren't left scrambling financially tomorrow. Life insurance is more than a policy. It's security, freedom, and peace of mind for you and the people who matter most. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips that protect your future. And if you want help choosing the right life insurance for your needs, contact Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935. We're here to help you protect your future, your finances, and your peace of mind.